In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 meshing error called phase interior, and more importantly, what actually causes it so you can avoid it in the future. This is a really common issue when running simulations, and it usually shows up right when Fusion tries to generate the mesh inside your model. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. So first, what does the phase interior error actually mean? In simple terms, Fusion 360 is struggling to generate mesh elements inside your model's volume. That usually means something is wrong internally with your geometry, not just on the surface. One of the most common causes is an invalid solid body. Your model might look perfectly fine from the outside, but internally it could have tiny gaps, open edges, or non-manifold geometry. To fix this, start by checking that your body is fully watertight. You can do this by going into the solid workspace and making sure it's recognized as a proper solid, not a surface. Next, another big cause is internal voids or overlapping geometry. These are hidden issues you won't see unless you look inside the model. To check for this, go to Inspect and use Section Analysis. This lets you slice through your model and see what's happening inside. If you notice extra faces, overlaps, or strange internal structures, that's likely the problem. Now let's talk about very small features. Tiny edges, fillets, or internal details can completely break the meshing process. Fusion tries to mesh everything, and if those features are too small, it can fail. The best solution here is to simplify your model. Remove unnecessary details, especially ones that don't affect your simulation results. If you're working with imported files like STEP or STL, this is another major source of the issue. Imported geometry often comes with hidden defects. In this case, try using the repair tools inside Fusion 360 or even remodeling the part if necessary. Sometimes rebuilding a clean version is actually faster than fixing a broken import. Another quick fix you can try is adjusting your mesh settings. Go into your simulation study and increase the element size to create a coarser mesh. This reduces sensitivity to small geometry issues and can sometimes bypass the error entirely. And here's a really important quick tip. Whenever you see a phased interior error, it almost always means there's something wrong inside your model, not on the outside. So don't just look at surfaces, always inspect the internal structure. Once you've cleaned up your geometry, simplified the model, and checked for internal issues, go ahead and run the mesh again. In most cases, the error should be completely resolved, and that's it. That's how you fix the Fusion 360 meshing error, phase interior, step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.